let's start off with eyebrows, like always. So I learned this trick on TikTok. So they put their powder on first. Like usually in the past, I just put my concealer on and then set it with the powder. But now I do it before and after, and that really did make a difference. Alright, so I just have this concealer that I'm gonna put on, brush it out. Like this is what I start with, and I just kind of put it over here. I'm gonna put some down here because yeah, I don't want that neck face difference, you know. So yep, I just press this in. Oh, I need to hurry up because I do gotta flat iron my hair a little bit, not that much. So let me hurry up. But this is, I've already done all the tedious stuff that's gonna take a minute, y'all. I'll be real basic with this. Real basic. Alright, so I just use that color right here. Use this color right here next. This one right here. Let's see. I'm so messy with this. But I hope no one's cringing at how I'm putting this makeup on. Alright, ooh, I'm gonna try this. Let me wipe away this stuff. And with this, I suck at putting eyeliner on. This is liquid eyeliner. I suck at this. So I just have another brush, which is dirty from last time. Don't judge me. It's my eyes. It was only 2 days ago. So I haven't cleaned them. Just so messy. I hate putting on eyeliner. Oh my gosh. It's just too messy. I need what's good for a beginner, y'all? Tell me, because I need it. And now tell me why I just put that on good. This side, but I did get a little. But this side look a hot mess. And on this side look all smooth at the top. See? And then if I try to fix my line, this is gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I might as well just call it a day. Alright, so I got my eyeliner on. I have some powder foundation. So I already put liquid foundation on, so now I'm about to put some powder foundation on top of that. Okay, this is the mascara from Ulta, the Benefit of their Real Magnets. I'm about to go ahead and plug up this flat iron so it can be getting hot while I'm finishing up this makeup. I can't forget your setting spray. I think I'm done. I feel like I'm missing something though. I probably sprayed way too much. So this can last, baby. You want it to last. Okay, let's put all this up because I can't stand moving on to another task with all this stuff still out. But you want to keep your lippies on hand because you might need those just to reapply for the remainder of your day. Put my earrings on. I'm at my sister's house right now, y'all. I couldn't even film me finishing up my hair and stuff because I'm just pressed for time. It's 2 o'clock and the baby starts at 3. So I'm just trying to be on time. I'm trying to be there at 2:30.
Yes.